Bitter yet magical. Leaves are great and seeds are radical. Such is fenugreek or methi. Here I have one variant of fenugreek, the kasuri methi. The word fenugreek is derived from its botanical name, Trigonella Fenugreecum. It is not very popular among the masses due to its peculiar bitter taste. It has been found that fenugreek is the only plant which contains an unusual amino acid which could help enhance insulin secretion. A grandma's recipe for reducing and controlling the sugar levels of non-insulin dependent diabetics consists of soaking about half teaspoon of methi seeds in a little water overnight and drinking the water and chewing the seeds slowly first thing in the morning. It also significantly reduces the ulcer formation and hence prevents heartburns. Methi also works wonders for skin and hair. It is also a wonderful detoxifier. As for planting this magical herb, it is a very simple thing to do. It will grow easily through the conventional seed scattering in regular sun. It can tolerate some shade as well. The leaves are ready to be harvested within a month and a half of sowing. Regular garden compost or cow dung manure is sufficient for its healthy growth. It grows throughout the year in North India. It has small yellow flowers, but I suggest you harvest the plant before it bolts into flowers. Such virtuous a plant with such easy growing process. There is no way you can avoid growing it in your kitchen gardens. So go for it. Go for Methi. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and see you soon for much more to come.